Hey guys, my name is Lamont, and today I'm gonna be doing an exercise which is on page 188 in your module, and that is chapter 10, applications of differentiation. So I'm given a function y equals to x to the power 4 minus 8x squared plus 5, and the question requires us to determine the stationary point. So what I'm going to do, or what I've already done, is I found the first derivative of that function, which is actually 4x cubed minus 16x. And for me to be able to find the stationary point, I have to equate this to 0. And this is actually my first derivative. And here I just substituted this y prime into, then I equated it to 0. After that, I solved for x. So it was just, when I'm given two functions that are multiplying each other and they give me a 0, I know that one of the numbers is equal to 0. So I just solved for x using my calculator. Then I found the values of x, which was x is equals to 0. Then since this one is different of two squares, my x was equal to plus or minus 2. Then after doing that, I must now find the y values of the y value of the function. So I go back to the original function, where I'll substitute my values for x. And when I substituted for x, when x is 0, my y was 5. It was just a matter of substituting. Where there is x, I put the 0. So I got 5. Then I took my x equal to minus 2. I also substituted it into that function, and I got minus 11. And then after that, it was 2 into that function again, and my x was actually minus 11, and here I have 11. So this gives us the stationary points of the function, which are these ones. Now I have to determine the nature of the stationary points. To determine the nature of the stationary points, I need to find the second derivative. And to find the second derivative, I get it from the first derivative. So it's now y prime of that function now. So my answer was simply 12x squared minus 16. And then I have to substitute now my values for x into the function, so as to see whether it's greater or less than 0, to be able to determine the nature of the point. So when I substituted 0 there, my y was 16, which is less than 0. That means this is a maximum point. Maximum. Then for minus 2, I put the minus 2 into the function, so then I got 32, which is greater than 0, and it simply means that it's a minimum point. For the function of 2 was also equal to 32, which is greater than 0, so both these are minimum points. So thank you guys.